And remember, limits, like fears, are often just an illusion.
So who else feels like shit? No, the point of that video is to make you feel like you're missing out on life. That if you don't have these things, you're you're just a loser. So the point of this video is to strike the emotion of failure within the viewer. It's not to motivate them. It's to make them feel like a failure so they're in a more submissive state. So that they feel like they're missing out on life. It has so many cool visuals. It's in a beautiful place. I love the visuals. It's a beautiful video. But it's a nice place to visit. But he's doing all of these cool things, showing you what you could be doing if only you would give him money. So your brain betrays itself and it goes against its better judgment and says, I don't have these things and I want them. How do I get that? And then at the end of the video, he'll say, "Follow me, and if you give me money, I will show you how you too can wear sunglasses inside and drive a very expensive car, take nice vacations to Santorini. Everybody's going to Greece. Everybody loves Greece. I'm going to stare at this chain link fence and look up into the sun. There's nothing wrong with working 9 to 5 and supporting yourself. There's nothing wrong with a safe job. We need to stop beating ourselves up because we don't have a Lamborghini, because we don't have a billion friends. It's just not a good way to live, is constantly not being satisfied. He only wants you not to be satisfied because if you were satisfied, you wouldn't try. But it's okay. You're gonna be fine.